So, hi guys! Welcome ulit sa ating Let's Do QuickBooks tutorial. So, for today, ang gagawin natin guys is magre-record tayo or kung paano mag-process ng transfer. Okay? So, start na tayo guys. So, as you can see dito sa Revolut, okay, meron ditong, hold on guys. Hanap tayo ng ita-transfer natin. So, as you can see guys, dito sa part na 'to, meron ditong, suggestion si QuickBooks na meron daw tayong another transactions from Amex credit card 1989. So, try natin 'tong 1432.38. So, para mas mabilis, type niyo siya dito, then enter. As you can see, meron tayong spent na 1432.38 sa Revolut 0225. Check natin siya sa Amex. Okay. Meron, as you can see dito, meron din sinasuggest si QuickBooks na meron tayong transactions from another bank to Revolut Savings 0225. So, the transaction was January 8, 2025. The amount is 1432.38. Check natin dito. Okay, January 8. Then 1432.38. Dito is spent. Dito naka-receive siya. Okay? So, for that one, ang gagawin natin dyan guys, sa mga ganitong transactions, is ita-transfer natin siya. Hindi siya ika-categorize. Transfer siya guys. So, paano siya gawin? Click nyo lang to guys. Then, click nyo record as transfer. Then, as you can see, transfer to Amex 1989. Then, add natin siya guys. Then, balik tayo dito kay Amex. Okay. As you can see, nag-match na siya. Then, pagdating kay Amex, pipindutin nyo lang is yung match. Okay? So, for that one, meron pa tayong ibang transaction, guys, na ganyan. So, you can do it on your end na, guys. Okay? By the way, guys, ano to transfer, not categorize. As you can see, ayan, oh. Yan yung mga for transfer. Check nyo lang yung amount, then yung date, dun sa Amex. Okay? Yun lang sa ngayon, guys. Thank you.